In the previous video, we were calculating the alignment value by ourselves. Instead of calculating the value by ourselves, what we can do, we can take help of Tween. Tween takes beginning value and the ending value. Depending upon the value generated by the animation controller, Tween creates a new value for us and we consume that value. Let me show you in the code. So first we are going to create a tween, and that is going to be alignment tween. So we want this little green box from here to move here. So the beginning value would be top left and the ending value would be center. Simple. Also we need to create a animation object, and that animation object will contain alignment, and by default that animation would be stopped animation. So we are going to pass the value alignment top left, right? Also we need to use dot drive method. So this animation controller is going to drive the tween. So we are going to pass here alignment tween. So this drive method will give us an animation object. So we are going to assign that object to this animation. Simple. Now what we can do, we can use animation dot value. Let me hot restart. So we have successfully utilized the tween to optimize our code. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to know more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.